Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with another hair video, and this is the look that we are achieving today. So if you are interested in how I got this bomb look, just keep watching. Today's video is sponsored by Beautyforever. Today I'm using their Vpart wig. This is a yaki straight wig in 22 inches, 150% density. So this is the hair freshly washed and blow dried. As you can see, still very much textured, and that's what we love to work with. So I don't have a braid down. I'm just going to put my hair in a stocking cap. But first I'm going to section off my leave out. We're not going to do too much leave out because I don't want to have to blend so much of my hair. It's already been too much heat. Okay, so love that I can only flat iron a small portion of my hair to achieve this hairstyle. So applying a V-part wig is probably one of the easiest things you'll ever have to do to your hair. You literally just put it on, clip, 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 and that's it. Of course, it would be much easier if you had a braid down because you wouldn't really have to maneuver it so much, but I can't braid. And we got to get this hair video done. So we are just attaching the clips. Make sure they're comfortable for you because if you're going to wear this all day and the clips aren't comfortable, you're gonna feel it. So that's all I'm doing, making sure they are in the perfect position for me. And for this to be 150% density, it is pretty full. I am going to use my deep waver on the hair today, and I'm not gonna pre-straighten the hair because I do like it when the waves get older on fuller and textured hair. It just looks so cute and fluffy. So all I'm doing is combing my leave out because we're gonna crimp it all together. And yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking now so you guys can watch the process. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over.
So here is the final look. You guys, it is just something about these deep wave crimps that literally have me in a chokehold. I am obsessed. If I could wear my hair like this every day, I probably would. But it's so time consuming. It probably took me like an hour to do my hair, but that's fine because these are gonna last for a long time. So I'm just adding some edge control to my edges for a little zhuzh, and that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be sure to list all of Beautyforever's information in the description box for you guys, as well as a direct link to the unit that I'm wearing. And yeah, I hope to see you, or hope for you to see me in my next one. Bye.